So we here, we got an issue. The roof is sagging on the end because these Rafter pigtails are rotting and there's no fascia to hold it up. So that's our job today, is to get this back right so we can stop the issue of any water damage. So we're gonna add some 2x4s to each one of these pigtails to hold it up. And then we're gonna put a brand new fascia, a 2x6, on this entire side. I'll show you the process. So now we're here cutting up the 2x4s. This is the angle we need on the end to be able to attach to the fascia. And we need them 17 inches long. So I made one, and this is the stencil, using the pencil for the angle and the length. Now I'm about to cut some. So this is the cut we need. Take it around here. This is what we came up with. Added some more fresh wood to the pigtails. Got another board. It's about a 1x4 inch board. We got to nail these on top of the pigtails so that now the roof isn't sagging and the water can flow